Okay, now we are going to backtest from 2020 January. I have already did some trades, so you can see it here. So these are the trades I done so far, but after that I thought to document myself. So here I am again. Okay, let's go with the backtesting actually. Uh, so So this is 9th of January 2020 data. So from here we will start our backtesting. So here, what do I see? I see bearish momentum. Here we have one fair value gap, but I still expect mm, the price to go bearish. But before that, I would like to see some pullback into this fair value gap, and then go to this sell side liquidity. So yeah. Mm, and then in 1 hour chart, what we have here, we just took out the sell side liquidity. Now we, in order for it to go to down, it should have some uh, liquidity. So I would say we can look for a drop to this level, maybe into this daily primary gap before it goes down. So now let's mark our sessions 11:30 a.m. It's not ideal, so I'll be trading only on London kill zone and New York kill zone, which is uh, 2 a.m. to, let's say, so which is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. and for New York zone, it's a bit different for me. So I will generally take 8 a.m. as my start of New York zone, and that goes till 11 a.m. So this is my trading window. So here, what we have, we should I will always mark the daily opening candle. So yeah, this is the 12-hour candle here. Um, let me see liquidity. No, yeah, let me see. Okay, here it is. And what we have here after, so yeah, so consolidating, you can see either a push to here before it goes further down. So 15 minutes, we have buy side liquidity here and here, so these two are so close. Maybe we consider it as a relatively equal higher high, lower highs, and we do have a sell liquidity here and the buy side liquidity here. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So if we see how this goes, waiting. Okay, okay, that's a start candle. Time is now 2:01. It has entered our London kill zone. Let's say no trades yet. No trades yet. Okay, it took sell side liquidity before it took buy side liquidity. So now it's time to look for buys, because it has to take either any liquidity in order for it to go further down. So I'm not going to waste that big moment up there. So let's see. Okay, okay, yeah, nice. Mhm. So now we took this follow and we have a choke here. So we do have volume gap here, this area of interest, and also we have a fair value gap here. So what I'm going to do is we are still in the kill zone, so we can take trades here. I'm going to place a buy order here. Yeah, the stop loss can be here, and the take profit is going to be at this level, which is 1:4. Yeah, better. Placeholder. I'm going to risk 1%. Yep, yep, yep. So this is a London trade. General. Add a screenshot to the journal. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Yep, tagged and it's stops. So nice, so quick. Okay, now so let's see further. Okay, so obviously the stop loss is too short. It's only 1.3 pips, so yeah, it's not ideal. After that, it goes, yeah, okay. So we are going to take this liquidity, I guess. Yeah, we do that liquidity as well. So now let's see for entries. Okay, here we do have an entry because no, 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 no. Yeah. So here is a choke, and we have a fair value gap with volume imbalance here. So I'm taking an entry on market here. Let's say, yeah, yeah. So we took the liquidity here, which is this liquidity. Now we are showing some signs for bullishness. Um, there is an imbalance, fair value gap, so I'm going to take a market entry here. Yeah, 2 pips stop loss, and again I'm going to target up there. So price order. Choose a market entry. London trade. Screenshot. So this is second trade for the London session. Okay. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, that's one more loss. Yeah, actually I was right with the daily buyers, but we didn't actually had a buy side liquidity, so it's very strong now. I guess it still goes down. So let's see where does it go. Okay, we have a fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap here. We are inside that. still do we have a chance? Okay, it took a little bit as well. Now we have this as liquidity. Okay, it's not just yeah. Now let's see. It took a liquidity. We have a chalk here. Let me try for you. Yeah, this is our chalk. Nope, neutral. So this is our trading window. Once the price passes 5 a.m., there will be no trades for London, and we'll end up with two losses. Okay, we have a chalk here. Now, do we have an entry? We have volume imbalance here. Also, we have a fair value gap here. Okay, so yeah, let's try one more time. Yeah, this time we get 3 pips stop loss, and we are going to target the same high. I think. Mm, yeah, okay. Along the way, we can take some partials. So here I'm going to place my order, select order. Yeah, yeah. Still a random trade. This is my first time taking a third trade in London T zone. And yep, tagged in. Once it let me be very clear. We said we won't be taking any trades after 5 a.m. Yes, we did take a trade before 5 a.m., but the trade can run like as long as it wants to. So that's the rule for me. So now we will take some partials on this equal lower highs. Then after here, then so here, so three partials, yeah. And also the price also decides that because in a 5 minute, if we have some consultations like wait, I'll show you this too. Not here. Oh, that's the part one. Not here. Yep, here it is. So if price goes and does this and goes like this, we will take some partials here as well. So for now, with this structure, there are three partials, but in the future, we don't know how the price goes, and that also decides when we take our partials. So yeah, so that's yeah, we are done. We are done. That's the third trade. Let's see if still it goes below this low or this is just okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The way we get stopped out in case we have our stoppers here as well. So there's nothing doing. Yeah, today is a low stake. Okay, so now what we will do is we will go to New York zone. So just here. So now we will again analyze the market. Let's see. Yeah, it's still bullish bias, bearish bias. Sorry. And 1 minute we took the liquidity. Now we have a fair value gap here, so it should go up now. And for you guys, it's a disclaimer, this is my personal documenting and my personal training with the strategy, so I don't recommend you guys to follow me along. This is for my journaling. I will just look back in the future, like how I used to backtest and improve my strategy. That's it. Okay, now so with the 15 minute we have liquidity here and liquidity here. So this makes much sense because if it goes here, let me yeah to here and we can go here. So let's see. Yeah, we entered into our new local Zoom session, which is 8 a.m. to 11 for my strategy. I prefer this time plan. Okay, okay, that's cool. Okay, we have a news here. What is it? Oh, no, payrolls. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. I mean, come on, we can't actually trade this. Uh, we do have a swing low here and a fair value gap here. Swing low break entries still in testing for my strategy. I'm not quite confident with that, but I have tried one or two trades before with that. So until I get a clear structure, I won't be trading. Today is less likely I'll have any structure. Okay, let's see now if we come on. We did catch this liquidity. We had a chop here and we have parallel here and also here. Okay. So now what I'm looking at this level. Okay, okay, um, okay, even better. Okay, that's a chalk here. And do we have any fair value gaps? Nope. So no trade. Yeah, no trade for us. So we did had three trades, which I told I was bearish for the day, but I hope to see some bullishness, maybe a liquidity hunt before the bearish trend, but it didn't provide me that. So let's analyze what this day looks like. Let's see how we could improve our strategy with this data. So yeah, I was bearish and it did go bearish here to here. Um, we took this liquidity here and non I didn't quite know there was a news coming out today. So this is a new scandal. We did take this bullish um, buy side liquidity and we had a swing break entry pattern. So we had a choke here and we had a fair value gap here. This trade could have gone like this, yeah, this. Yeah. To be honest, I would have targeted here, but I would have taken my most of the um, volume here at this level. So it would still be a break-even trade. Not a break-even trade, but 75 percentage of my profits. I will close my partial here. So yeah, this could have been a scenario, but it's not. Okay, let's move on to the next day. Next, we are straight going to the London session. Okay, what's okay? I told you there will be something like I told you there will be something like this and this. Actually, that was the case, but I couldn't actually grab the mouse, And now we are in a fair value gap. I I'm still bearish bears. It should go here. Yeah, I'm still bearish bears. Yeah. So I'm still bearish. My daily bias is bearish for this day as well, which is 13th of January. Okay, it's a Monday. Then we did take this one. Yeah, nice. So now, what do you have in a hourly chart? Nothing. So here we have buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity is here and here. So let's mark it. This is a buy side liquidity, and we have a buy side liquidity here. Let's go to 15 minutes. 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 11. So this is our um, trading intervals. Okay, let's mark the 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. candle, which is a New York open. So since we are bearish on daily, so it will be a much better trade if we take shorts above the New York Open so that the price would end below that and we will gain profits. So with 15 minutes, these are my levels. We have liquidity here. We have a liquidity here. We already took this liquidity. If we just repeat our pattern outside of the kill zone, we had a liquidity run here, we had a chalk here, but there is no fair value gapping here. So there will be no entry, but still, according to the structure, it should go down before it goes up. So, but that's not how we trade. We stick to the system. So after two within 5 we are going to see a liquidity run and a change of character, and then we are going to enter in fair value gap or volume imbalance, anything. There is also one more entry pattern which I used to work with, which is flip. um, so let's say we have uh, we have a downtrend, so the price should go here, it should come up, it should react to any like order block or a bullish candle here. It should go down and then it should break it, and then again it should come within this zone, and this is one more entry pattern for me. So it should react to this level and it should go down. Now we need to we need to consider this level as our entry, and we we can enter here, like, and place our stop loss here. We can aim for our liquidity up there, but this is still in test. So now we are just practicing the fair value gap entry and maybe swing entries every now and then, but um, I'm not fully confident with those entries. So let's see. We are entering into a New York zone. Sorry, London zone. Mhm. Yeah, we took this high, but we didn't quite have a chop. Uh, but yeah, let's see, let's see. Okay, we have a chop, but if we take a trade here, uh, let's say, so okay, this is our fair value gap now. We also have an imbalance here, volume imbalance here, but this is our most immediate entry. And if I enter here, maybe here, my stop loss should be all the way down here, and my take profit is just here. So it's honest to one. So I'm not willing to take that risk. So I'm not entering this trade. But let's see how it goes. Yeah, we got tagged in. If we just took that position and we got out. Okay. So now we can see if we have an entry. Now change of character is all the way up here. This is our change of character, which is not practical at all. And we do have our swing break here. In that case, we would be entering our trade in this level, I would say. Now we could have entered with a swing break entry, but I'm not trading it, and we lost. And we lost. No trades, no trades so far in London. Okay, we have an entry here. Sorry about that. We do have an entry there, but we didn't quite take it. Now it's again. Okay, we should have taken it, but we didn't. So now it's above the daily open and New York open, and it just took our market liquidity. Let's see how this one goes after. And chalk is all the way down here. Yeah, we had a chalk. Not quite, just very close, very close. Yeah, we had a chop, and we are having a feather gap here and also here. So we will just enter here because it's a large candle. I will just enter at the medium price, and I'll place my stop above here. Yeah, the farther stop. And we are going to target where? All the way down here. 3.72. Okay, that's fine. Close order. Limit, yeah. Sell, save and join. This is my London first trade. And we didn't get tagged in. Shit. And that's our takes. Profit. Fuck you. Sorry for swearing. That was a nice trade. Yeah, can cancel the order. Adding a screenshot. This is my missed trade. So lesson learned: always enter at the start of a value gap. Yeah. So that's the end of our trading window. So now we will just go right to the New York session and we will see the daily as well. So I'm still bearish. Yeah, I'm still bearish, but we did take a liquidity here because the low here is 128 and the low of this candle is 125. Yeah, we did get below 128, so we took a liquidity there and we are just climbing up. I don't know how it goes. I don't really. So with 15 minutes we do have a lot of liquidity here. Sell side liquidity there, buy side liquidity here. With 5 minutes our buy side liquidity is here and sell side liquidity is here. Okay, we are entering. Yeah, now we are looking for liquidity hunts. There it is. It is, and um, we are above the New York Open. We did have a swing break entry here, swing break here, but we should get chop here. Yeah. So we did have a swing break entry here. This is our gap. I'm not going to enter this trade, but I just want to study the swing break entry. Yeah. So I'm just keeping this. Thanks to Korea. That's our entry. So now we are officially down here. Yeah, that's our neutral, and that's our fair value gap here, and we are going to enter shorts here. Yeah, and we can target all the way down here, but we will take our partials here, here, and here, and we are going to let it run. So we are going to place an order here. Sell New York trade. NYC first trade. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we tagged it. And going down, 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 down. We are going to take our first partial here. Yeah, now we are going to take our first partial open positions, which is I'm going to take 20%. Yeah, of the original position. Yeah, I'm going to take 20% there. Okay, and still down. Still down. For the record, this one is take profit with our swing high, our swing break entry. and we are still running this trade. It's a stop loss. I did take out 25% here. I should have taken another 25 here, but it's okay. Yeah, this is way how the real trading is, so no problem. So, yeah, and it did go to that ISA liquidity, which is a perfect entry zone. We just want. Okay, here is our swing break. Okay, here there is our chalk. Do we have a fair value gap? No, we don't. No, we don't. I'm just curious how this day goes. No, it should be. It goes up. Okay, let's finish it here. It's 13th of Jan now in this backtesting session. So I'm just going to stop the recording here, and we will continue again from 14th of Jan, which is the next session. Yeah, London session. Yeah, we will be continuing from 14th of Jan. Yeah, see you guys.